So andito pa rin tayo sa Field Residences, Building 7, 7th floor, Building B, to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, around 35 square meters. Ito yung bathroom niya pagpasok nyo. And then kitchen niya, over and under cabinets. And unit or corner siya, kaya may bintana tayo sa gilid. Ayan, ang view niya is amenities, swimming pool. And then ito yung pinaka kwarto niya. Then meron din siyang balcony. Oh, parang wrap around balcony siya hanggang doon. Anong view niya? May view ng amenities and view nitong ilog. Ayan. Ayan. Ang address natin dito Las Piñas na. Building 7, Building 6 to 8, if I'm not mistaken, is Las Piñas na po siya. Yung Building 1 to 5 is Parañaque. Pero within Field Residences compound po tayo. So this is around 3.5 million. That's the regular price. Discounted price is around 3.2 million, subject to management approval. Usually mga na-approve sa discounted price namin, mga cash buyer. So this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment, and then 80 to 90% balance, in-house and bank financing, plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. As is where is, and first come first serve po tayo dito. So all the movables inside this unit are not included in the sale. Lilinisin po yan ng bangko bago ma-turn over sa inyo. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. So andito tayo sa amenity area or yung parang central part ng Field Residences. Located to in Parañaque and Las Piñas. Dalawa yung address nito eh. Yung building 1 to 5 or 6, parang Parañaque siya. Yung 6 to 8 is Las Piñas. Ayan. So yes, binaha dito nung huling bagyo ba yun, Christine. Yung building 5 ang binaha dito, sabi ng mga guard. Pero hanggang lang naman, yung ground floor area lang naman, and mabilis din na bumaba yung tubig. Yan. So ang remedy dyan, kung ayaw natin ng baha, di dun tayo sa iba kumuha. Pero kung yung budget natin is swak lang dito, dahil affordable nga dito, below market and zonal value, kuha na lang tayo ng mga higher floor, mga second, third, pataas. And meron kami mga available dito for as low as 100,000 per square meter. Yan. So ito yung amenity area niya. If you are interested, message us directly. So dito may amenity area pa rin dito. Check natin. Parks and playground. Parks and playground, may gym din dito. Swimming pool kumpleto. Resort type amenities dito. So dulo-dulo yung niya, swimming pool. sapa ng pusa dito. Ayan, swimming pool. Oh. Diba? Ganda.